Why didn't you say so? For cake at stake.
What?
I said it's time for cake at steak! Get them up for me, Nickel.
Huh?
Never mind.
Oh, now I remember.
Good for you. So, let's get started.
That's good to know.
Just kidding, Rubber Spatula only got 177. No debut for you.
Can't believe it. Nobody likes me. Gaming Aiden, Weber Gaming, Maurice
Hurry
Yu,
up.
Cabsocky, Broken, _Baker Bakey, the Alpha Force, Balloons Team
I
6
said hurry up.
and Rootsy Dane. Okay.
You finished?
Yep.
Okay, bye-bye then. Votes, so you're out too.
240? I want to thank my voters, too. Kids Review Toys. AZ
Nope, stop
Play.
that. None of you made the cut.
Hey, I make cuts all the time.
Grr. Shelly, Mikey, and Clappy?
Looks like it's
Looks like it's
for us.
curtains for... Right, sorry about that. Leak got 1,014 votes.
Aw, no nickname for me?
You're not leaking, are you? Nineball, you only got 1,033 votes.
That number sounds hard to spell. Not that I would care about that.
Cammy, Blendy, and Onigiri, you didn't get either.
This is embarrassing. Hide me.
I'm gonna make you wait for it. Disky's out! No more waiting!
Wait!
BHSE, Taxi, Salty Lampy, and PEDEAE, you guys didn't get any ethery.
You'll pay for this, too.
Yeah, and we won't help you figure out how much.
You think I need help? I know how to use a pencil.
What's wrong, Ice Cube?
165 votes.
Up. No need to clap. I got this.
To the floor.
Ah, looks like you're stuck with me.
Right.
No, stop!
Huh? 3 of them, but I only see 2.
I'm flattered you find me so attention-grabbing, Nickel. But the final 3 is over there.
But-
Hang on, Winner and Taggy, can you make some room for non-existy? There. Now he's bigger. What? Purple tomato.
Thanks.
Wait. 40 plus 1 is 41!
What's wrong with 41?
41 is a prime number!
Are those, like, illegal where you're from?
What? Even I'm a prime!
You mean I'm a even prime?
What? What's wrong with prime numbers?
They're impossible to divide up evenly!
Yeah, exactly! There can't be a prime number of you, because that means the teams won't have equal amounts of people!
Well, the nearest composite numbers are 40 and 42. None of us want to quit, so we'll have to add somebody. Why not go with the second most voted person from the pool of joiners?
That's a great idea! Thanks, Golf Ball! Okay,
So, how many teams do you think we'll have?
let's go with 6 teams of 7.